na unim se koko ho nsem no a yegusua edimu enkomo kakra se be ya ye bepa ni puma sibire because ye ntia se for time memorial na ifri tete santra ye di koko ahwa ye ho abetri sabri na sabiu yentimi enyamu sika mfa mo ye bra se de etie no hadwene na akuafo nso ma do amfie bebre besi sabri wonu mutumi enyamu de na eduru ba bi kura no a eduru mpempenso sebe yenyamu mfaso bia mfa anto akiri a yede bekuhye akuafo na etwa se yetimi etwitwa akuafo wonu mutiri ho wonu sika tiri ho kakra haircut no twitwa wonu tiri ho kakra etititi wonu sika so no awreho na Osha Ghana as the second largest cocoa producer after Cote d'Ivoire ewo hanwa che se nwanwa se oman no film fie santene besi sa abri no yentumi nyamfaso a esefata no ni nyina ne se yentumi nane dane yani yetam ye beans no anu frefuo mu ayaba hata memu aye yi no ane de akoma obi onama no ne na waye omo kura no beje akwa eto kura ese ye gi wo mu ansa no mu de afiri oman mu akono eto no kura no ne ahwehwa so tax incentives ahodo e behwehwa so ne ade anti omo no obeje akwa amano ne no omo kura enya no kama emutu ahodo omo kono mkodane dane ani wie ekoye omo chocolates no koye ada cocoa products no na ye kofa ba ye kofa bia bedie no eno wotu a ye betua ansa na abeduru kromu ano eti cocoa na ye ya do na o mabafa akwa amano ne akodane ani a ye koje aba no ne bo abaye dem ye do cocoa nso ye ntimi ni bi me ho ntoyen but enfie bebre amampanimfu aba eko womo aka ho asem so ye huni eko yetimi ti cocoa okromu abo cocoa no ewiem nya beans no emu 30 to 40% pe ene yetimi e process wa ha obi ane yetimi ye almost 1 million tons no a ne so atia hwan ma ise kura de around 400 to 600,000 tons ene ye ne nam no ye capacity kura ye wo okromu asenke ye betumi a processing cocoa beans no about 400,000 tons no ni nyina no kura de ye nhwe ni ye disika hye mom ye ni akoho atumi a processing ti ye de ye dwiri broni de se ye de ko ne akoje raw beans ni ye de ko eno nso kura ne buo wo fam chense nke ye be processing na ye export ko amanwodo so enti ye nyini so wo man no ye be ye bibi ye betumi am yakoye nim wo hwa so far processing companies about 12 pe Cargo Mune Barrical Boat mu ena Olam Group CPC aban de ba ko pe cocoa processing company eno kra no aban kakra cocoa board kakra Ghana cocoa board ena wo mu shares ya wo mo nenam ho chese ye ma ya dwene nkoso se ye be dan ya process nena no metese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kasa about how ye de ye no ma kwa ma no ne saa ne nane dane ani yentie no kakra na makasen bi wo.
We're going to stop foreign funding for the purchase of our cocoa. We are going to raise domestic bonds. We have enough CDs in Ghana to pay for our cocoa. We're going to raise domestic bonds, buy our own cocoa. We don't need the beans. I know the interesting part. We have the capacity to process 400,000 tons of those beans. Processing capacity in Ghana. But because the beans are collateralized, we cannot even allocate those beans to the local processors. We have to ship all the beans outside. Now, if we buy the beans ourselves, we can take 400,000 tons out of the beans and give to our local processors to add value. That is what the Accra research is about.
Enti na okasa about Accra research yi ho nsem ene ade na ni nyina Addis Ababa okopie ya ode nsem atudwa en wo ka se ehunhia se yetimi process na ha na ye ya na ye de ko sanse kwasi broni na betwe ne sika e de ato wa se beans no ye tiwie pe ye mfamre no nti ye companies na e wa ha no a wo mo baji beans na process bi no Olam Group ne cargo no mo ne ya de o mo nya bi kura no mo CPC mo kakra bi because broni na betwe sia wa a se ye de beans ni nyina akoma no e de nti na ekose because aban ani enko ho amampanifo abako ahye ho boba ye ni nko ho se ye mfa sika nwuram And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eka wa ha say sika wa ha ye wo cities be brink ya betumi atwa ho sika to e ba ni companies na wa ha no mo process na nkia export to finished products de no be me sika mo no kreso so we routers wo research ahodo bi o ma ye ne ade a se Ghana ye kase process ye koko e wa ha se ya sika ye nya e free say ye de beans ne kwa ma no ne akoton ne keke no ye chemu miensa ye betumi anyamu beye mienu emohu beye mienu afrim enya asem keto akura kasa brinka akuafo nsu akuafo nkomu nsu kiye kasa nkasika da baabi ye kofa because yetimi finish no as a finished product akonya so mfaso bebre am ye save wo ba ye ni suade hunu no wo fam metie nsem se ya na ede o Ghana mampanifo no tie o mu se ya ede this is speech kasa egu paper so o kan yetie ba se be ya adwuma no eno ne problem ye leaders no ade o mo ya de pa ne so no konya international platform bia na o mo konya simpie bi so gina ensem wo be kan enu ede brofo akese de enu ede esubo wiase no ye hunure asem wo kan ye ne na ahase o se ye kokko no ye nhwe ne ni hudwuma na ye ne na ehase over 18 years ni amampanimfu ahye ho bo ene ye kokko yi ye de kosa ese ye dane ani bra Facebook be hade 2007 September 5th 2007 ne ye wukuada President John Ejekunkufo former president asem wo kan yi ni no ne abibiman ahodo no mpanimfu bi ahia ena wo kire se Ghana ye ka abibiman no ho na Akokoa ye dua na bibiman mu ani dua na ye di beans ni saa akọ ye nani daniani nti ha adwene ehunya ifa Nigeria fo baabi Ivory Coast fo baabi countries bebre en wono de to amampanifo nanim se ye nyina a Ghana ka ho no ye add value to Akokoa ye ndani daniani se be ye benyam sika kese in fact 18 years down the line akosi say amampanifo ba we have nothing to show. Come to 2011 18 February Professor Fifi Atamel say wenya ni baby kro the same promise omina simpie no e be kan de Professor Atamel so promise ye say Ghana ye kura de nka the whole world ye be leading cocoa producer amanka baby e be fa bia upe cocoa no ho ayi bia wo be hu say Ghana edi mu kan ne add value to our cocoa o kan say enu so free wo kosi sen His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo kasa nei say ye be add value to Akokoa no dentia I will say I don't trust the words of John Dramani Mahama for now until some who results e was our processing ni Akokoa ho asem a wo ka no any sad we until I see results until I see action say akosua we are seeing say Akokoa no ampa processing ne koso kese over 400,000 tons yeah to beans no I said your work can egu krata so work kan kire no until says be who say results me I don't trust this word from the president. I don't trust it. You can have your opinion ubetumi have wo adwene de but in 2015 April 2026 His Excellency John Dramani Mahama then no a president Mahama one or say or inaugurate cocoa processing company bi na tema area ho na o ye pa ho ntoma asem o kan ye ne say ye be process ne add value te said ye work ne ya to cocoa a o be ensure say e be kakra ne Ghana ye cocoa a ye be ne ha no enkwa ama no ne ni be process ne ha ne nya so mfaso ye ne be mo man ne di ye he said this. And then 1 year second. How many years now? Yanko 2017. Nanado danko Akufo-Addo so by September 23, 2017. Nanado danko Akufo-Addo so kan odo kra de ne brofo no fellow African leaders. Esi ye na Akokoa no etimi ko na nim na Akokoa no etimi ye come to Facebook and see. Anya wonku no kan in 2020 Akufo-Addo say repeat here 2017 3 years down the lane enu ba bia or say Ghana will no longer export raw cocoa beans we no okase yen export to biem nko Switzerland yen export to biem nko na yen ya bedane ani wa akwa kokisi sei October 2025 ba memo na nado de ne enche wansa na yakwa no so kra. Listen to the nado bra no woka saasem no se ehunya se yebesade kokoo no kra e de akona ye bedane da ne ani wa 2017 okay 2020 even cross ye nko Switzerland de biem tie no.
Ghana, Switzerland's largest trading partner in sub-Saharan Africa, larger from the export of gold and cocoa to Switzerland and the import of chemical and pharmaceutical products, as well as light machinery and military equipment.
Nhyira.
However, as I have stated on occasion, Ghana no longer wants to be dependent on the production and export of raw materials, including cocoa beans. We intend to process more and more of our cocoa in our country with the aim of producing more chocolate ourselves, because we believe that there can be no future prosperity for the Ghanaian people.
Enti enuni yada achene yenya empuntuo bia if say yam process cocoa no ha. In fact, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo kasa asem in the year 2020. Ofirisu 2024. Improvement in it to say. Anko si hey. Beans no kra yenya bi galamsey asense ase no akuafo emu che se cocoa board nso dwumade na enkoyie eka bebrebe. Enti ye hunu so. 2025 October Vice President 2025 ye twa mu yo Vice President na Naji no poku agiman. Enso make same promise sa banya abaidie wonu behwe no atu hu anamu e de na no memne de ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asa akoshe sa aboy. And I'm saying say I don't trust this particular promises on baby abedu free abedu sabri ye kasa keke. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we need action enye words enye kasa keke. We need action. Okay? This year 2026 I had an action year no esha see ye twam wo promises nim campaign na 2024 2025 ye ma animu 2026 enye boshe bi mu. If you are ready to process fanoma ni gu akoyam na kire sa asase ye adwuma because 2015 sa boshe ni bi bai wa na wo she sa abono ye hunwe. And that's why I repeat, say, I don't trust these words we are saying about cocoa processing until some action or results from it. Ya bre, say Ghana for. How much does it take to even establish a processing company? How much does it take? Incentives are even private companies you almost processing. Omuhwe omo tariffs ni ade taxes ni ade omutua ni ade eno so kura ma omutimi enye processing ye omu capacity no eye dwindle omutimi nko manim ye me hwe na sese wo ye small factory ni bi kura no a akoso just about $4-5 million. Medium one be cost around $10 million. Ye ne kakraka kura abro so $40 to $50 million. Si any abresi be process here, we can do it here. You go beyond the words. Ye kasa keke kasa no dosu kasa no a dosu. Let's start something. Ya kasa sa almost 2 decades, almost 20 years. The BI ye be process it. The BI ye be process it. Ye the chocolate day by. You nim say nanke motivation. See ye be chance ye kuku no ma bebre. Akwa who go si say we are still promising. We need action. And never boy. Ya bre.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5 FM.